Good morning, guys. I'm holding a $1,600 Apple refurbished MacBook Pro. I bought a refurbished by saving 300 US dollar. If you are going to get this one M1 new MacBook, you are going to spend 1,900. So I got it 1 terabyte, 16 gigabyte, silver color MacBook Pro. Okay. I saved 300 US dollar. I pay 1,600 US dollar. You can go to Apple store. Maybe you're in Australia, New Zealand, USA. You can go to the Apple store. You can look for it. In 1 month, like it come like 4 or 5 times. And then I bought it from the Apple store. Here's my Apple experience. Personally, I do not like the Apple store, to be honest with you. In China, especially in Hong Kong, the employees are dumb. Literally, they did not let me record the video, to be honest with you. Like, but I still record. I'm Jimmy a geek. I do not care about anyone. Like, I don't understand why they have to hire dumb Apple employees. I can become an Apple Batman employee. Anyway, let's jump to the Apple experience. Yeah. Finally, here's my MacBook Pro, 1 terabyte, 16 gigabyte RAM, M1 MacBook Pro, silver color, Apple refurbished. I only paid around 1900. I only pay around 1600 US dollar. If you are going to get brand new, it will cost you around $1900. By buying the Apple certified refurbished, I save around 300 US dollar. Also, make sure to watch my butterfly keyboard i5 MacBook review also, which also I did the same year. Yes, this is my second MacBook. By the way, I already sold my butterfly keyboard i5 MacBook. Okay, so do I need my Swiss knife? I don't think so. Okay, let me just open from here. Wow, I'm excited. I am excited. Wow, I'm super excited. Okay, I couldn't tell you my excitement. Come. Wow, I am super excited. Wow, like I don't know what to say. I'm really very much excited. Just let me just grab a screenshot. Okay, I was just taking a picture because I'm going to show it to my wife. Okay, let me put this one aside and let's see what inside. By the way, my Apple refurbished butterfly keyboard i5 and MacBook have a problem with the display. Two times I have to go back to Apple to replace, and finally they replaced my butterfly keyboard with the Caesar keyboard, like with the new one. But I even sold that one because buying a sometimes refurbished Apple product can come with some hassle, because you have to go back to them and then ask them to replace, because first time they will try to repair, second time replace. I hope so this one is not going to have any problem. Where is the charger? Okay, I'm not going to use because sometime I wanna sell. Maybe there's a new MacBook OLED is coming, maybe 14-inch. I'm going to buy that one. That's why I never use the charger. I bought this one for like $45, 100-watt charger, which I'm going to use with my MacBook. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me just try to take out this one. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. You couldn't like feel my excitement, but I'm really excited. Okay, let me take out from here. Okay, that's good. Let me just take out my MacBook. Okay, so I'm going to put this one inside. Here we go. Okay, now let me put this one aside. Wow, I mean, I don't know how the camera is picking this thing up. Wow, I mean this thing look quite nice, to be honest with you. The silver color look very nice. Like, it's a little bit heavy, to be honest with you, because I was thinking to get the Samsung Galaxy Book, which is around 800 gram only. All the Galaxy Book, like the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 at 1 kilogram. But this one is fine. The main reason I bought it because I wanna get some work done, because my window laptop, like my 2500 US dollar laptop, sometimes runs slow when I'm trying to add a video. Like that one is a GTX 1060 6 core laptop. It's a very powerful laptop OLED. Another reason I really want to use the application, I want to use this service called Set App. Wow, what happened? What happened? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow, this look dope, man. Let me just bring the camera a little bit back so you can see. Okay, is that okay? By the way, this is my subscribe pillow. Subscribe. Yeah, I don't know what to say. This thing is looking dope, to be honest with you. Wow, this thing is looking quite nice, to be honest with you. I'm quite impressed. I'm very happy. Okay, okay, I'm going to do that right now. Okay, English. Oh no, it's not a touch screen. I'm just going to go with the American English, because even there's a, okay, let me go. Let me click. Wow, I'm liking it. Okay, where's my country? Okay, I'm going to select Hong Kong. I mean, why this is not touch screen? I wanna touch it. It's not touch screen. But still, I'm new to macOS. I personally hate macOS because for me it's very linear. Windows is like Windows is my darling. Now what is? I'm sorry for this stupid alarm. You see, this is my flip phone. My flip phone. My flip phone. But by the way, this is a Japanese Android flip phone, so you can use also WhatsApp, everything inside. Okay. Input source, like I don't wanna put input source like the Cantonese, the dirty Cantonese. I hate dirty Cantonese. English. No, I don't want the Hong Kong English, because Hong Kong people really don't know how to speak English. I'm not like becoming. I'm talking to racist like. English South Africa. I love South African English. I love South Africa. Okay, let me go up and let me delete this English. Drag the language in order of preference. Come on. Like it's like becoming me. I'm going to pick South Africa. So now I'm creating the base account. The good thing is that I can reset it by Apple ID. Why is taking too long? But there's some different, because I already first I bought the butterfly, and then second I got the Caesar i5. The display was not that vibrant. This display is very vibrant. I mean, vibrant mean vibrant. So I'm really liking it, to be honest with you. I have no complaint. I am really liking it. Like, I don't know what to say, but I'm liking it. I mean, I'm quite happy with it, to be honest with you. With my purchase. Okay. What is this? iCloud keychain. iCloud keychain keep your password and credit card information. Okay, I will set up later. Find my Mac. Okay. Okay. No need to share. Okay. See, I will enable Siri later. File wall description. Would you like to file wall encrypt your disks? Allow my iCloud account to unlock my disks. If you forgot, if you do not want to allow your, I don't know what to do, but anyway, let me turn on. Okay. Okay, continue. This thing look nice. I am liking it. Okay, anyway. For my stupid like sarcastic comment. Why is taking too long? Okay. Setup later. Dark, auto, light. I wanna go with the light mode right now. Okay. See through without two-tone display. Continue. I'm really liking it, to be honest with you. I'm very excited. Wow. Wow. I mean, I'm liking it. This simple thing I always do is this speed, like the typing speed test. I'm going to go to live chat. Live chat. Typing test. Okay, like how to make the window bigger here. Okay, and how to increase the brightness here. If I make a much brighter, you can't see, right? Is that okay? Oh, where that mosquito came from? Okay, let's get started. I'm very excited. Wow, it's much better than typing on a mechanical keyboard. Like I spent about the key on whatever the model number is. Wow, I love. Wow, wow. It will take some time for me. I'm liking it. So I'm going to install some app and then I'm going to come back later. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so She is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.